What's up, YouTube? C-Bush here. So we're back out here at the 65. Got the driver door on with the help of my helper. This is Cass, my girl. Alright, so a lot's happened since I made the last video. I got my door pulled out, got my body line back in it, got the whole inside and outside primed, weather strip off, everything fixed, any little problems fixed. And here's my floor. It's finished. I welded some metal, sheet metal in here where I had some rust holes. I took out that big piece of metal that was just screwed in here, and I actually used that as my sheet metal, so that worked out really good. I welded that in there with my flux core. I grinded all the metal down, I sandblasted, and I went ahead and put some long strand fiberglass hair over this. Even though it was welded solid, it was nice and solid. I went ahead and put that over it too. And then, so I did that in the few rust spots I had the back. I did it in the front passenger side. Everything turned out really good. And then I took POR 15, silver POR 15. I wish I would have got the black. I accidentally got the silver. But hey, it turned out pretty good. I'm gonna cover everything with insulation and carpet anyway, so it turned out good. So that's that. Driver door is finished. Driver's side fender is finished. Front clip finished. My cowl is finished. My passenger door is a problem. I'm gonna have to get a new passenger door. We had some problems yesterday and I just fucking stomped it in. I had a ripped, pushed in keyhole. It was all fucked up. So I found on eBay a trunk patch, just a piece of a trunk from a 69 Cutlass. It was a very similar lock, so I was like, okay, $5.99, I'll buy this off eBay. I got it, held on to it for like 6 months, decided yesterday, today's the day, I'm gonna weld it in here. Well, I fucking ruined it, and I only had one shot at that. Those don't go up for sale too often. So this door just had so many problems. It wouldn't open. The linkages inside are missing and broken and bent, and my body line was fucked up like my driver door. They screwed mirrors into the passenger door, which was a factory option, and they put the wrong mirrors on anyway and just used drywall screws, so that was all fucked up. So getting a new door. We'll go see the Chevy man probably next week, the junkyard I go to that I got these rear doors from. I'll probably be able to get a door for $100, I would think. So I'll get me a passenger door. I just got to messing with the trunk today, and there's where I repaired one section of it with fiberglass. I don't know how long it's gonna last. It's kind of trying to peel up already. I did the best I could. It's probably just not a good enough fix. So let me see if I can get some shade. All right, it's pretty bad. I still got that giant hole right there. This is just bad. There's just holes everywhere. This corner all the way to here is just super thin. And almost anybody would just replace this whole trunk floor. I'm probably just going to section weld. See, this metal's still good right here. All of this is still good right here. So I'm going to clean all this up the best I can, just kind of make a skeleton, and then cover it with PR15. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just weld me a piece from here to here, you know, just this whole section. And I'll clean all this up the best I can. I think I can bring most of this back. Here's a pretty big hole here, but I think I'm gonna bring some of this back. and just do it in sections so it's not just a big fucking nightmare. I'm just gonna weld a piece probably from here all the way until I find some pretty strong metal, and cut that out. Probably I'll just cut that more. So yeah, and that's pretty much where we're at on the car. I got the window tint, nasty old window tint off of this. All this old red overspray from the old color. I've still got to get my windows out. That's still a thing. But it's coming together. It's coming together, YouTube. Still got some rust holes. Thinking I don't know. My buddy's better at welding. Maybe I'll get his suggestion. I still have this side too. Pretty bad on the wheel well. He was mentioning a backing strip behind the wheel well and then plug weld the rest. This is giant holes. I don't know, man. I don't know. This is a big chunk of fiberglass. I'm surprised it hasn't failed yet. So that's that, my friends. That's the 65. That's the up to date